Oh, lag. Okay. What's up, guys? Pokercrafter16 here, and I am here with my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
And he's in his awesome skin that I made. Except, for some reason, since the skin was made for, like, the Steve model, at the bottom the hands look funny. They have, like, this red line. But, that's not important. And today we're playing this mini game I made called, you gotta move back so I can, okay. Yeah. I gotta look at it a certain way. Where's... Oh, here it is. It's called Boat Race, and the objective is... Or, I guess you could read the rules. No, you don't want to read the rules.
Who, me?
Yes.
Oh, objective, win. Detailed objective, get to the end of the course. First using only a boat at the end.
You're supposed to say get to the end of the course first using only a boat.
Get to the end of the course first using only a boat. At the end there is PvP. That part is just for getting out your anger. This game can be played with up to 4 people with 2 in each boat or more. If you've got a plan, enjoy.
And then, over here, got my YouTube channel, because I'm actually gonna have this map or whatever up for download if you feel like it. Hold on. Gotta turn this back on. I can see my hand now. Okay, left or right?
Left.
I can't read the sign. Okay, it says boats. Okay. So I'll just put the boat. Ah! It takes so long just to break one boat. Okay, so you gotta put the boat like
this?
Okay.
Like this?
Do like I did and come over here and then place the... Now you gotta push it back up against the wall. Well, I have to turn around. Okay, is it up against the wall?
Yep.
Okay, get in. Really? Okay. Ready? 3. Get off my screen. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wait, wrong way, wrong way. It may look like, no. Oh, looks like you got to the lily pads. See, the lily pads just get broken. It's perfect. And then you gotta hop out. Then you gotta... Oh, how do I get back in it? Break the boat, break the boat, break the boat.
It's not working.
Did you get out?
I'm trying. Okay, now it is.
Okay, then you destroy the boat and you gotta take it with you. And then it's like some sort of ladder parkour.
It's not breaking. Okay, it broke.
Ah! No! Dang it! Okay.
What the heck?
Okay, board. Whee! Wait, no, wrong way. See, these controls are confusing, because if you want to go one way, you gotta... Alright, alright. No. Okay, there we go. Be careful of the cactus. Ah! No! No! Dang it!
Hey, what just happened?
The cactus, I said be careful. You gotta really hug the... Dang it! Okay. It got stuck in the wall. I think there's some bugs with this. Quit cheating. Yeah, it can't go into a certain thing. I guess this part we'll have to just swim. Doot, 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 doot. And looks like you were slower. Okay, so now take a stick and then
Hey.
what?
Nothing.
I guess I won the race, which has some problems.
Not. Oh my God, Christian.
You can't fall through the middle of those.
Oh. Wee.
Okay, so you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2. Wait, hold on. This should help a little. 3, 2, 1, now. Oh, that works. I was trying to knock you off.
Wait, I want to see what happens when you get knocked off.
I was wondering why I couldn't.
What happened?
Exactly what you think happened.
Hey, wait a second.
What you running from, boy?
Ah!
Wait, did I put this? It must not be. Oh, it is on peaceful. So why did you die so easily? I guess I hit you too much. Okay, so.
What do you mean you guess you hit me too much? You were supposed to kill me.
No, I was supposed to knock you off. Which in turn killed you, but that's not the point.
Maybe I should have enchantments.
Don't touch the cactuses!
Wait, you said what?
Okay.
I will win! Yes.
Should have put some lights out.
Oh God.
I can't really see what's happening. Oh, now I can. Oh, lily pads.
And the stick.
You didn't need the stick.
I didn't take it. This is my one.
I know, you didn't need it.
Back off. Wait. No.
Take it. Oh, come on! No! I fell from a high place, so I must hit the bottom of the thing. Well, guess this is over with. This was so short.
But fun.
Well, oh, my voice cracked. Well, if you guys enjoyed, and you want to play it, I don't know, there's something wrong with the multiplayer in this version. But if you want to play, there's you can download the map in the description below and play with your friends, you know, because if you got friends, otherwise you just have to play with your brother, like I did.
Hey.
That made no sense. You just said, okay. Anyway, why is there just one lily pad still on your side? Anyway, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the good stuff. And I guess I'll see you all. Talk to you guys next time. You know you're really wasting your time.
Who, me?
Yes, all you had to do was just go
walk around and then
all the way around.
And then walk on the dirt and hop in here. Yep. What?
Actually, you can't hop in here.
Ah! What does it say?
Doesn't say nothing. Apparently, my thing thinks you're irrelevant. Oh, I forgot to end the recording.